I'm a sucker for a home project.
Hey friends, and welcome to today's video. I have a project that I did and I wanted to share the process with you guys. This door here in my entryway, I originally wanted to make it into a barn door, and I knew that I was going to do it with a marker. I saw the idea on Pinterest, and today, let's do it.
Completely the wrong line. So I have to put that line back and then erase the other line. My bad.
No, this is my line. No, mommy.
Okay, now I need to erase this line and these two lines.
So here I'm just going over the lines that I already drew with the permanent marker now. And if I'm being honest, your girl's on the struggle bus over here. I can't draw straight lines even with a ruler. Like, how sad. So here we have the lines on the door. This is the first look. I still messed up. You see that? What a mess. But anyways, this is kind of what it looks like so far. So yeah. So far I changed the paint color. It's a lot lighter than I probably thought it would be, so I might try to whitewash it later after it's dry. So that probably won't even be today, so I'm not sure, but it just looks different now. So y'all know how I am. I gotta see the whole thing done, but I'm gonna let this part dry, and then when this part gets dry, I'll go in and do the middle part, and then once the whole thing is dry, I'll probably have to put my lines in. I'm gonna put my lines in again because I've covered them up. So let me show you what I did. Okay, so that's it so far. I have the door open so that it can dry over here on the edges. And I gotta do this part across the bottom. But so far it's looking kind of like a wood door, I guess. Whitewash, so I don't know. I'm gonna go back in with the black lines now to just define them a little more, and I think from here it's just more about you know, just being creative, I guess. So yeah, this is the gist of it, and then like I said, I'm just gonna go in and see how I can finish it up and pull it all together. So yeah, it was kind of cool. It looks fake though. Anyways, let me show you from far back. So I don't know, kind of cool, huh? I knew I wanted to put some sort of hardware on the door, so we found something online. Samaya traced it for me, and I'm gonna trace it onto the door. Made a barn door with a marker, and it doesn't totally suck. Like, it's actually kind of cute. I'm not 100% with the color. I think it's a little bit too light, or it's too light, especially compared to the faux wood floors that I did. But like, your girl made a barn door. And it's crooked, but I love it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor and support it by giving it a thumbs up. Feel free to take a look around at any of our other videos if you're new, and if you like what you see, I would love to welcome you to this growing fam. I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles!